Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your title with Title Source, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understanding how to protect your title is essential for any property owner. The first step is to understand what a title is. A title represents your legal ownership of a property. It is important to ensure that your title is clear of any liens or claims. Begin by gathering relevant documents related to your property. These include the original purchase agreement, previous title deeds, and any mortgage information. Next, contact a reputable title company. Title Source is a reliable choice for this process. Provide the title company with all necessary documentation. They will perform a thorough title search. This search reveals any existing claims or liens against your property. After the search, ask the title company to provide a title report. This report will detail any issues that might affect your ownership. Review the report carefully. If any discrepancies arise, consult with a legal expert. Once you have a clear title, consider purchasing title insurance. Title insurance protects you from future claims against your title. Inquire about policies that Title Source offers. Choose a policy that best fits your needs. After securing title insurance, keep all documentation in a safe place. Periodically review your title status, especially before selling or refinancing. Always stay informed about local laws and regulations regarding property ownership. By following these steps, you can ensure your title remains secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.